How to hide friends on Snapchat. So if you're looking to hide friends on your Snapchat, go ahead and click on your avatar sign at the top left corner. Scroll down and you'll see the My Friends list. So click on My Friends. So click on the friend that you're trying to hide. And then click on their name. So go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner. And you can see the Manage Friendship. So go ahead and click on Manage Friendship. And here you can only see the option of block, report, or remove friends. So if you don't want to interact with the friend at all, you can go ahead and remove the person as your friend, or you can block them. Another thing that you can do is click on the three bars again and go to chat settings. So you can go ahead and turn the message notifications off, and this means that no notification of the person's message to you will be shown on your notification tab. So unfortunately, there is not a feature to hide your friends on Snapchat as of yet, and these are some alternate solutions to it.